What's up, guys? Joe here again, and welcome to 365 WebX. So, somebody sent me a DM asking me how he can install a lot of fonts without clicking on the fonts one after the other. And I paused to ask a question. Do people still go through such in 21st century in 2021, where that is not to say the dude's question is useless. As a matter of fact, it's very important, and that is why I'm bringing you this video. um, Without too much of talking, I would like to say, well, some of us expect people to know the things we know, right? Well, that is not the case, because some people are just starting out, some people are just, beginning to, love, this thing called technology, and are beginning to, learn how to make use of it, and we have to help them to, to become like us. Okay, so without too much of wasting your time, let me jump straight into the video and show you how you can install millions and millions of fonts on your computer, as long as it has the power to handle it, um, in just less than a minute. Yeah. So right here I have my fonts. Let me open my document folder and open my fonts. I have this folder with all of these, like this, all of these fonts. You can see there are quite many. Now this could be millions of fonts, this could be hundreds of fonts, this could be maybe like 50 fonts. No matter the the quantity or the amount of fonts you have, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you're not restricted. So what some people will do, I'm going to show you right here, is come down here and click on each font and install. I've installed this already, and wait for it to install, and then close this and go to the next one. And you agree with me that this is time consuming, and it's not funny when you're doing this. So I'm going to show you right now. What I like to do is go to control panel. I'm going to hit my window key here, my Windows key here, and type control panel, and you can see it right there, and it's opened. And then right here where you can see this cursor blinking, I'm going to say fonts and click on this one. Yes, this is where all the fonts on your computers resize. This is where they're kept. Okay, so you leave this open, and of course I'm going to uh, uh, you know keep them side by side here, and yes, something like this. So these are the fonts I want to install on my computer, and this here is where all the fonts on my computer are. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to click on the first one and go down, hold shift down, click on the last one to highlight all of it, or just control A highlights all of it, just like this. um, and I'm going to hold down my mouse, the uh, right, sorry, the left mouse, you click, hold it down, and drag it into, your font, here. And of course, it's telling me that I've installed all these fonts. Do I want to continue? I will click there and say yes, just for the sake of this video. So I'm installing 94 fonts. Okay, can I install? Okay, yeah, sure, skip. 94 fonts on my computer, and you can see it's installing. And this is going to take just less time. Okay, it's going to take less than a minute to install, so you don't have to be clicking on on the phones one after the other to install. I know if, for example, I have 94 fonts installing. So imagine if I was to click on each one of the fonts. Do you know how long that is going to take me? So that is why you do stuff like this. Okay. And so you can see the progress right here. Okay, it's almost done. 92, 93, and it's done. Yes, 94. Yeah. So right here I have my fonts installed, and that is just pretty much how you install millions and millions and millions and millions of fonts on your computer without wasting your time. Okay, so you can just do this. Just follow me and do it the way I showed you, and save your precious time. You can use that time to play games, or maybe watch tutorials, or maybe read a book, or go out with your friends, hang out with your friends, or just play around with your computer. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please, 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 just give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. With love from all of us at 365 WebX. Happy Sunday, and bye bye.